Welcome to Sunnyside Certified. This is Tiger, and we're gonna do a pegboard in my son's room. So I got some pieces cut out. This is the furring strip. That's gonna be the support for the pegboard and give it the space it needs so we can hook the pegs in. And we're gonna make it similar to that setup right there. Not as big, but just one board. So let's get started. All right, I got the furring strips. This support wood up there. Now I'm gonna wrap the LEDs around that furring strip for some backlight. All right, I got the LEDs hooked up and it's routed all along the furring strip, just like how I did the one in the bonus room. Now we're gonna test it out. There it goes, it works. Let's see what we got. This one's a little different. Not as many buttons as the other one. But let's see, mode. You got a speed option. Slow it down. I think this one seems a little brighter than the other one. All right, now to put on the peg. All right, here it is. Pegboard is up. Now all we gotta do is get some pegs and get the cars up. All right, we're gonna sort through here, see what we can peg up. Probably not these bigger ones. Not sure what we're gonna do. Maybe get some shelves that are meant for the pegs. But we had this collection that we bought from LJ. So this will be somewhat of an overflow in Simon's room here. So. All right, we got some of them up. That's more of the older premiums, or maybe even the silver series. But still got a bunch of main lines. I guess that's going up next. I'm going to sort them out, kind of categorize them, different makes, see which one will go up. All right, we got some of these sorted out by manufacturer. I forgot about some of these nice cars that we had. Purple R33. We also had the HKS FK8. A bunch of EFs. Yeah, I really like that teal one.
I like the CRX.
Mm-hmm. Got a bunch of FDs too.
Which even if
different colors here.
which if
NSX is under there. What's up, Simon? All right, here's the finished product. We got most of the of our overflow here pegged up. We need some more pegs. Still have one more tote of main lines. And we still got to figure out some of these. These were the ones that were damaged. I could put protector cases on them so I could hang them up. But that's it. Now we got 2 pegboards. Well, 3 total. 3 sheets total.